Hello everyone. Today in this video I'm going to talk about the basic concepts of climatology that you must know. So without any further delay, let's start our today's topic. At first we see what's the difference between air and wind. Air is nothing but the mixture of gases in the atmosphere. It includes oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. On the other hand, when air moves, it is called wind. So we can say that the blowing of air or the movement of air is called wind. Let's see how the wind moves. Wind moves horizontally from high pressure to low pressure. Okay, what is pressure? Pressure is nothing but a force per unit area. High pressure means when the pressure is high and low pressure means when the amount of pressure is low. Wind always moves from high pressure to low pressure. So this is a slope and winds move like that. There is another thing that you should know about high pressure and low pressure. Where the temperature is high, that is the amount of insolation is high, sun rays are vertical, the pressure is low, and the place where the temperature is low, pressure is high. But there is exception that in subtropical high pressure belt the temperature is high, but we see that the pressure is also high, and the same case happens in subpolar low pressure belt. Here we completed the concept of pressure. Let's see another related concept about pressure, that is the pressure gradient. So in simply we can say that the difference between high pressure and low pressure is called pressure gradient. For example, this is 1200 and 800. The numbers are generally taken for your understanding. So what is the pressure gradient here? 400. If I make this 1400 and this is 800, then here pressure gradient is 600. It means that pressure gradient has increased. What will happen to the intensity of winds? Intensity of winds is directly proportional to the pressure gradient. The more is the difference between high pressure and low pressure, the higher is the intensity of winds. So the last concept is about the Coriolis force. Have you heard this term before? Do you know how does the Coriolis force affect the global wind pattern? Let's see. Coriolis force is nothing but a force that deflects the wind. Based on Coriolis force, Ferrel propounded a law named Ferrous Law. This law states that if one stands with one's back towards the direction from where winds are coming, they are deflected to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. See here in the diagram, in the southern hemisphere wind moves towards left, and in northern hemisphere the wind deflects towards right. If you are confused, then just imagine that you are moving with the direction of wind and you will find your answer. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you really enjoyed, do like and subscribe for more updates. Alright then, take care. Jai Hind.